today's video, we are talking some Black Friday deals, specifically ones you want to watch out for from Skinstore. I've got a box of goodies here to unbox for you guys, showing you guys some of the deals that you can see or expect from Skinstore for the Black Friday. Lots of information to go over with you guys, so let's not waste any time. Let's jump right into the disclaimer, our quick little jingle, and then we'll get into our unboxings. If you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. So sit back, relax, unwind with me, let's chit chat, let's talk about the deals. Your girl uploads all the time over here, Monday through Fridays, always at 12:15 Eastern time, and then Saturdays and Sundays I do upload at 9 p.m. I have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where Tuesdays and Thursday nights at 9 p.m. God only knows what you're gonna get. I'm just gonna let you guys know right then and there, because a lot of the times it's just me chilling in my PJs. And that's that on that. So anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. There are some giveaways going on over here. I'll talk a little bit later about those in the video, but let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. I'm super excited to show you guys some of the deals that you can expect from Skinstore. So like I said, Skinstore is going to be having a huge Black Friday sale. It is starting on November 20th and going until I think it was December 2nd. You're gonna see deals on all kinds, like all kinds of deals. We're talking like, you know what, let's just get into the box. They were kind enough to let me pick out some items so I could show you guys some of the items that are going to be on sale. Okay, are you guys ready for this? So you guys know my obsession, and listen, hold on, let me start all over. When you think of Skinstore, I feel like some people think it's only high-end, expensive brands like SkinCeuticals or Caudalie, or I probably said that incorrectly, but you know, I think a lot of times people think about expensive items over at Skinstore, but it's not, guys. You can find brands such as Soap and Glory, which is one of my absolute favorite repurchases, known demand. This one specifically, the Smoothie Star Lightly Whipped Body Butter. It has scents of pistachio, almond, sweet vanilla fragrance, and you guys, this stuff is absolutely amazing. My husband actually got me on to this. He does like really cutesy things and puts things in my stocking before Christmas and surprises me, and this was one of the things that he put in, and I have been obsessed with this scent from Soap and Glory. I love the fact that I'm the type of person, if you guys don't know, I have thyroid issues, so I'm always dry, and I always love a heavy type of moisturizer, but I don't like the kind that make me feel thick and greasy. Now this is a thick body cream type of product, but it like absorbs into the skin without leaving that like greasy film, and for me, I love this scent. Now I like snacky types of scents. You guys know your girl loves that Coco Cabana back when it was like the popcorn scent. I love me the Bum Bum Cream. Again, they smell delicious and they're wonderful on the skin, but they are super expensive. The nice thing about Soap and Glory, not super expensive, and on top of it, they're going to be having a huge sale. So with that being said, one of the items that you will be able to find is another set by Soap and Glory that I absolutely love, and this is the Righteous Body Butter, which has more of like, I wouldn't say a food scent to it, it's more of like a clean scent to it. So again, this is a perfect, wonderful holiday gift. I want to say it'll cost you about 20 bucks, and of course I'm sure it'll be on sale even more. So jumping right in, you do get this cute little box with the bow to gift. When we open it up, here's what you're gonna find in here. Tell me this is not the perfect gift, guys. So you're going to see a full size of the Clean On Me. This is a creamy clarifying shower gel, again by Soap and Glory. Like seriously, I just love this whole line. It's a soft, clean hint of a floral scent to it. Absolutely love this stuff. It lathers so well. A pink loofah, and it's not one of the chintzy kinds of loofahs. It's a nice thick one, and love that. And then you're gonna see again another full-size product, which is the Righteous Body Butter. It's a moisturizing formula, so it says it might swear you're wearing velvet. Okay. Again, this one has a really nice soft scent to it with a hint of fruity but a hint of floral. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't see the notes on here. It does have shea butter and aloe vera on here, but all I know is I absolutely love these, especially in the winter time. If you guys have dry feet, dry elbows, dry knees, whatever, I absolutely swear by the Soap and Glory, like their body butters. Okay, so moving on, I was very curious about this brand. Now, this brand I have never tried before, but you guys know I love collagen. I use a powder form collagen to put in my little daily harvest every day. And I came across this brand called the Beauty Chef, and this is a liquid collagen that it has an inner beauty boost. It's a dietary supplement. It has vitamin C and zinc, and with everything going on in the world today, I thought, why not? What's it gonna hurt, you know? So anywho, it has a lot of benefits to it. It says that we believe the beauty begins with a healthy digestive system. If you guys don't know, I do have a lot of stomach issues, so healing my gut has been super important to me over the past year. I've been a little lazy here and there, but overall I've been trying to heal my gut for a while now. So it's always good to have a collagen, and I thought, why not try a liquid version of collagen? On top of that, I did, from the exact same brand, the Beauty Chef, I picked up the Hydration Inner Beauty Boost, and this has things such as prebiotics, coconut water, aloe vera, and lemon myrtle, which I don't know about much on that. But again, sometimes, TMI, having thyroid issues, your digestive system tends to slow down a little bit, and it almost has like that dehydrated feeling. And I kind of thought maybe this would be something that could be potentially beneficial to all of my issues. So I thought, what's the worst, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. It does have a 5-stage biofermentation process, floral culture plus, like a whole bunch of like really good things for your body. And again, these are things you're going to see during that Black Friday sale. And if you guys have tried this out, let me know your experience. The reviews on there were actually pretty good, and I'm excited to try it out, because my understanding is there's different forms of collagen, especially when you go from like a powdered collagen to a liquid collagen. So I'm learning. What is that, a work in progress? Yeah, that's me. Okay, this had me so curious. Again, when I think of Skinstore, I think of expensive, high-end, luxury prices. But again, you guys, if you just go on their website, they have so many different brands that are affordable as well. And I want to mention New Face. You guys know I talk about New Face all the time. I swear by my tool. I did it today. That's why you see a bit of a jawline today, friends. I'm telling you, if you want to see a difference, definitely get the New Face tool, the Trinity. I'll leave it linked down below. I've been using that to help my jawline, and then the red light that helps like boost everything. Anyhow, I digress. So I was playing around on their website, and I did come across a brand called Be Tan. And you guys know I love to be tan, but I am, you know, one of those people that I just, well, okay, we're in Kentucky, so you really just can't go lay out. So I love sunless tanners. It's healthier, and I came across Be Tan. It says, not just your weekend lover. Again, it had a really good review to it, and it says it's a 1-hour violet-based trouble, is what it says, in a dark self-tan mousse. I don't really know what that means, but it's violet based, which typically a lot of them have more of like a green, like ashy or something base to it. So I'm pretty curious about this. From what the review said, it does not leave you like orange. So $14.99. Of course, it's going to be on sale. So I was pretty curious about this because, as you guys know, I love my Tan Luxe lotion, and I don't have any issues with it at all, but it's about $29. So I thought, ooh, let's try this out. $14.99. I'm liking the price of it, so we shall see. And it, if I didn't tell you guys, it's a mousse. It's a mousse base. So the last item that I did go ahead and choose, and I hear a lot about this brand specifically, and this is Dr. Dennis Gross. This is a Spectra Light Eye Care Pro Mask. So this is legitimately just a mask that you apply or you put on. Can you guys see it? You will literally put it on kind of like sunglasses. And I mean, look at the back. Again, the reviews on here as far as the noticeable difference people were having was pretty good. So I'm definitely interested in this. It's FDA cleared for the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. It talks about, you know, how it penetrates the epidermis, the dermis layers, everything. So a lot, it looks like, just glancing at the back here, 97% of subjects shown visible improvements to fine lines, wrinkles, and skin tone. So that has me pretty excited to test out. You guys know I love gadgety type of things, and how nice would this be to just sit back, relax, put this on, and work on my crow's feet? You know what I mean? So anyways, guys, I want to give a huge thank you to Skinstore for sending these goodies over my way to test out and try out for you guys. Like I said, there's going to be all kinds of deals going on over at Skinstore, not just the brands that I showed you today, but so many more. I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys to check out. And if there's a code HOTMESS, it may still be working, but it may not be as good of a deal as the sales that are already going on. So like I said, if you are looking for really cute gifts, what have you, this is like a $20 gift. You get full-size items. You just can't beat it. You gotta love it. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. How often are you shopping at Skinstore? I'm telling you, the more I dig deeper into Skinstore, the more and more excited I get over the different brands and the variety of brands that we see over there. Like I said, there will be a link down below as far as the giveaways. You guys, I do have 2 giveaways going on, one on our channel. I'll leave the video link down below for y'all. Just go over to that video and enter in that way, and then go over to my Instagram. I'll leave a link for the specific post over on Instagram so you guys can enter into that giveaway. And there are definitely more giveaways to come, so make sure you are subscribed, make sure you are following me on Instagram. Don't forget to check out my second channel as well as my daughter Haley's channel. And I think that's all today, guys. Like I said, if you have ever tried out some of these brands, let your girl know down below. I will make sure to have everything that I talked about and showed you guys today. I'll have those linked down below. You guys, right here, amazing stocking stuffers. We love good deals. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.